Hello everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. This is an update on Winston Gold because they just released a press release yesterday that they produced their first gold and silver concentrate. Um, and this is the test mining that they are doing right now. So let's go over the numbers. Apparently they have been milling for 6 days continuously. These are the numbers. We will go through that. Um, they said that the equipment has not been upgraded completely, so they still need a Wilfley table. We will talk about that. And we also need to install a filter press still, and that will make it more efficient and safer. And we will be milling at 150 tons per day in May. So cash flow will be starting to come in somewhere in June, May and June. Okay, so these are the numbers. And the underground update says that we are now at 90 tons per day, going to 120 tons per day. And we will probably need to go to 150 tons per day, otherwise there won't be any feed. So that's also progressing. So I'm very encouraged by these results. Let's do a deeper dive on this. So we had a significant increase in share count. That's not that good, but yeah, we need to invest in startups. So today we are still at 30 million in market cap, and we have the 150 tons per day at the current moment. Gold recovery, I will go over that later on. The grade should be around 10 grams per ton, and they said that the AISC would be around 1050. So I have pasted these numbers here from the test mining, which was mined 6 days. Okay, so let's go over the numbers. So they processed 680 tons at this grade, 1.75 grams per ton, 26 grams per ton silver. So if all of this gold and silver went uh, into concentrate, then we would have 1000 grams and 18,000 grams of silver. Okay, now they have float concentrate and gravity concentrate. Let's take a look at how the process flow should look like. We get this bulk here into the crushers, ball mills, and we first concentrate it via the Nelson concentrator, which is a centrifuge which will separate the tailings and the concentrate. Then the concentrate goes to the table, which is not installed yet. So this will need to be installed. And this looks like this. It's a Wilfley table where the concentrate is going to be separated because the dense material will stay here. It will flow into this concentrate line and the tailings will flow here. So this will increase recoveries by 40%, I think. So that's this thing here. Then this will go to the gravity concentrate, and the flotation concentrate comes from these things here. And then this is the filter that they still need to install. The filter press is also needs to be installed. I think they will install it this week or next week. and that will increase the efficiency. And then these are the concentrates. Okay, so these are the numbers, and when we calculate it, then we see that they recovered 400 grams of gold from the float, 7,000 grams in silver. We convert that into ounces. So this is the gram to ounce. And taking these prices, we have a revenue of 23,000 and 6,000. For the gravity concentrate, we do the same. So we have 100 gram and 200 gram of silver. This is in ounces, and this is the revenue, 6,200. So you see that there's about 80% gold and 20% silver. So there's quite a bit of silver leverage to this company. Now we take all of this, and the revenue should be 36,000 for 6 days. That's 6 days. Per month, it is times 5. That's 180,000 revenue. And per year, it should be 2 million revenue. Now, we take this to 10 grams per ton. So that's times 6, because we are now at 1.75 grams per ton. So we need to do this times 6. Then we get to 10 grams per ton, and that's $13 million per year. And let's say that they will go to 150 tons per day. We are now currently at a little bit above 100 tons per day. That's this divided by 6. So if we go to 150 tons per day, then we have times 1.5. So this times 1.5 is 20 million. And we also need to still install the Wilfley table, which will increase recoveries. I hope that the recoveries will be going to above 70%. So let's take 70%. That's times 1.6. So that's around 30 million in revenue. And I'm just guessing that the net profit is half of that, maybe less, but we will have around 10 million, 15 million of net profits. So if you take a PE of 5 or 10 for that, then we will be at 50 to 100 million market cap. So this also correlates with my estimate here, 50 million. When we do an EBITDA multiple of 5 at 150, 70 recovery, 10 and 1050 AISC. So we should be at 50 million. And it can be higher than that. And we're currently at 30 million, so there's 50% upside right now. So filter press will come in, cash flow will come in 3 months from now. Tons per day will go to 150. The filter press will need to be installed. So what does this do? You have the concentrate that needs to be filtered, so the filtrate needs to be removed, and the cake will then drop out of this, and that's the flotation concentrate. So they need to install this. So how do I come to these recoveries here? Recoveries are just the amount of gold that you recover here, 400 grams, and 100 grams divided by the total amount is 1000. So that's 500 divided by 1000. That's this 40% here. And normally the Wilfred table will be increasing the recoveries. I don't know by how much, but I guessed 40%. So normally this recovery number here should be around 70. Hopefully they go to 90 at the end. So that would improve the estimate, the valuation estimates to 60 million market cap. And yeah, so there's still upside here, I think. They just need to make sure that they have enough money to get to May when the cash flow starts coming in. And then they can ramp up the production. Production can go to 300 in the coming year. That would give us 30,000 production ounces per year. And then we could go to around 100 million, 130 million. So there's plenty of upside from today, 30 million to 100 million times 3, the triple, if everything goes well in their plan. And I'm pretty sure they will be able to do this because I see these numbers here. These numbers correlate well with what we get, the revenue, the profits, everything matches. Except one problem that I see now is the recoveries. We are at 40%. We need to get these recoveries higher. So I want the company to show us better recovery numbers in the future. This will need to go to 90%. Let's hope they do that. And I'll see you in the next video.